Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete your MSN account. When you delete your MSN account, you are deleting your Microsoft account, as MSN account and Microsoft account are same. To delete your MSN account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.msn.com, then press on enter. Then you'll be taken to official website of MSN. Now to delete your MSN account, you need to first log into your account. To log in, click on the profile icon with circle on top right. With this, here you'll be taken to sign in page. Now here you need to enter your email or your phone number or Skype that is associated or used to create your Microsoft account. After this, click on next option. With this, now here you need to enter your correct password of your account. After entering your password, click on sign in option. With this, now here you'll be logged into your MSN account. After you get logged in, now here you can see your profile icon on top right corner. Click on your profile. Now here you can see my Microsoft account option. Click on my Microsoft account. With this, now here you can see your account information. Now click on your info option on the left side. Then here you can see all your information regarding your Microsoft account. Now here scroll down and under account info you can see the option of close account. Click on close account option. Then it will direct you to another tab. Now here you can see how to close your account information. Scroll down, then click on continue option. With this, now here it will direct you again to another tab. Now here you can see that by closing your Microsoft account, you won't be able to sign in to your Microsoft services and products. Now scroll down, then here you need to select an option. Click on continue with closing account option. So before you delete your account, make sure you back up your important data and files associated with your Microsoft account. Now here scroll down, then here you can again see continue with closing account option. Click on continue with closing account. Then here again scroll down, then here you can see close your account option. Click on close your account, then it will guide you to another tab. Now here you need to verify your identity. If you have your code with you already, then you can click on I have a code. If you don't, then you can click on the mail address that is provided that is related to your Microsoft account. With this, you'll receive an mail. Open your mail inbox, then look for the mail that is sent from Microsoft account, then click on the given mail. With this, now copy the security code that is given. After this, go back to close your account tab, then enter the code. After this, click on verify option. Now here you need to make sure that your account is ready to be closed. If you have any subscription, then you can cancel your subscription that is present. Or if you have any other records or credits, then make sure you back it all up. After doing so, on the downside here you can see on the number of days in which your account will be closed. You can click on the given box that is 60 days present in my case. Then you can choose between 60 days or 30 days. I have chose 30 days. After 30 days, my account will be permanently closed. Within 30 days, I can also reopen my Microsoft account if I want to. For that, I need to verify my account. After doing so, click on next option. Now here you can see information regarding all the personal data and information regarding the services related to MSN and Microsoft that you'll use. So click on all the given boxes. Scroll down and make sure you click all the given boxes. At last, you need to click on the box stating that you confirm that you want to delete your Microsoft account after understanding all the points. With this, now here you need to select why you want to close your account. Click on the given box and select a specific reason. After doing so, click on the option of mark account for closure. With this, now here you can see the date in which your account will be permanently declared as closed. So click on the option of done. With this, your account will be closed and here you'll be directly taken to your sign in page. Now if you go back to your main MSN page, then you'll be logged out. For now, your account will be closed, but after the specific days that you have selected, your account will be permanently deleted. This is how we can delete MSN account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.